your own beat, coffee in your left hand, dancing with your feet. You don't know I notice every little move, so I left a daisy on your bike seat afternoon. You smile like sunlight through a rainy view, and I've got this ache I don't know how to use. It's just a little something for you, folded notes in shades of blue, a paper heart beneath your shoe. Don't need a name, just hope you knew that someone out there sees you true. A little something for you. I passed you in the hallway, you were humming low. Dropped a book, I caught it, didn't let it show. You don't see the breadcrumbs trailing where I've been, but I leave them like a story tucked beneath your grin. I wish I could say what I wanna do, but I hide behind the things I leave for you. It's just a little something for you.